Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're stuck in a QuickBooks login loop where the system keeps asking you to sign in again and again without giving you access to your account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact reasons why this issue happens and show you simple, step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly. So make sure you watch until the end to get back into your QuickBooks account without any hassle. This issue is common among QuickBooks Online users, and can also affect QuickBooks Desktop when signing into Intuit services. It can be extremely frustrating because no matter how many times you enter your credentials correctly, the login page simply refreshes or redirects you back to the sign-in screen. A QuickBooks login loop usually happens due to browser-related issues rather than incorrect login details. In most cases, the problem is caused by corrupted cache files, outdated cookies, or browser settings that block certain scripts required for authentication. QuickBooks relies heavily on secure cookies and browser sessions to verify your identity, and when these don't function properly, the system fails to complete the login process. As a result, you get redirected back to the login page repeatedly. Another common reason for the login loop is using an outdated web browser. If your browser version isn't fully compatible with QuickBooks Online, certain security components may not load correctly. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can also interfere with the login process. In some situations, firewall or antivirus settings may block secure connections required for authentication. For desktop users, damaged installation files or issues with Intuit account services can trigger similar login behavior. To begin fixing the issue, start with the simplest step. Open QuickBooks in a private or incognito window. This disables extensions and uses a clean session, which often resolves the problem instantly. If you're able to log in successfully in private mode, that confirms the issue is related to your browser cache or extensions. The next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies completely, then restart the browser and try logging in again. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, update your browser to the latest version, or switch to a different supported browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Disabling browser extensions temporarily can also help identify if one of them is causing the conflict. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that your system's date and time settings are accurate, as incorrect system settings can sometimes interfere with secure logins. For QuickBooks Desktop users experiencing login loop issues when accessing Intuit services, running the QuickBooks Tool Hub and repairing the program installation may help. Restarting your system and ensuring that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking QuickBooks can also resolve authentication conflicts. If you've tried all these steps and the login loop continues, the issue may be account-specific or related to Intuit server settings. In such cases, contacting QuickBooks support can help verify your account configuration and resolve any back-end authentication errors. The key is not to repeatedly attempt login without troubleshooting, as that can sometimes trigger temporary account security locks. With the right steps, a QuickBooks login loop is usually a temporary issue that can be fixed quickly. Once resolved, you'll be able to access your company file normally and continue managing your accounting tasks without interruption.